Hello all, welcome to chapter 49 from the book of Genesis. In the beginning of this chapter, we see Jacob gathers his children and says what is going to happen to their descendants in the future. Regarding Reuben, Jacob says he had done wrong because he lay with Bilhah and therefore he will no longer excel. In the coming books, we will see that from the tribe of Reuben, there was not a single prophet, priest, or king from this lineage. Regarding Simeon and Levi, Jacob says that he would never like to enter their council because their anger were weapons of violence. They will be divided and scattered in Israel. Again, in the coming books, we will see that Simeon was one of the largest tribe, but they will become one of the smallest tribes of Israel. Then we see Jacob prophesying about Judah. This is the most important prophecies of all. For Judah, he says, Judah, your brothers will praise you. The scepter shall not depart from Judah, nor a lawgiver from between his feet, until Shiloh come, and unto him shall the gathering of the people be. I have not made a note of the entire blessing or prophecy given by Jacob to Judah. I have just highlighted the most important part of the prophecy. This is the prophecy that has been made by Jacob with regards to the coming of the Messiah, the coming of the king, who is going to be from the lineage of Judah. Scepter is an ornamental staff carried by kings, and Shiloh is meant here for peace. Both depict Christ to come through the lineage of Judah, and Christ is the one who will be the King everlasting, who will establish peace on earth. We then see Jacob makes prophecies for the rest of his sons. So each son is called out by name and Jacob makes prophecies accordingly. Jacob then tells that he needs to be buried the same place where Abraham and Sarah, Isaac and Rebekah, and Leah were buried. We then see Jacob passes away. This is how the chapter ends. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Until next time, may God be with us all. Bye bye.